What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, you guys probably can't see me that well, but I'm over here at Stefan's Meat, and I brought the Mach 1 out. I was actually here earlier with the Cobra because we wanted to ride together, but so me and Alex have been wanting to rerun, and he finally came out tonight. And I didn't know this, but a little birdie told me at Mustang Week that he boosted the Cobra. And here, let me show you guys. Let me get my phone out so you guys can see her. The beautiful bright Atlantic blue. You guys already know. So clean, so clean. So guys, he has a Vortec V2 on here, stage 3 blower cams, a T56 Magnum, 410 gears, and I think it got tuned. Obviously got tuned. He's running 4 to 5 pounds of boost. He said he's at like 500 or something like that, which is pretty insane. So he's been wanting to run me in the Mach, so we're just gonna go out and have some fun and just, you know, see what the cars do.
And plus you're gonna have
Stefan's Cobra, so should be a fun night. Alex, my boy. Hey, I'm filming a little bit, showing everybody the car. You gotta pop the hood, man. Ain't no one here now.
I know.
You can't show them?
It's still, it's not where I wanted to be right now, you know what I'm saying? So, because before Mustang Week, I wanted to get stuff powder coated, cleaned up and stuff and dip, but it's still, I got a lot of stuff I need to clean up, and I just ain't got to that point yet, you know?
Well, you said you're about, what, at 500?
Yeah, you said 460, in between that area. So I've been trying to work out a little kinks and stuff, you know, along the way, and had a lot of belt slip, and also, you know what I'm saying? But right now, it's pretty solid.
All right, I said you're gonna give me 2 to 3 cars. that's what I said. That's my theory. That's my guess.
What?
On the race, I think you're gonna give me 2 to 3 cars.
Oh, to get you by? I don't know.
I mean, it could pull more, but I'm thinking that.
I don't know. I'm interested to see, man. I mean,
you think the Mach 1's pretty peppy?
It's pretty peppy, man, but it's a whole different animal now.
Yeah. No, I believe it. I 100% believe it. That's why we're out here doing this for fun, because we raced before, didn't we? A long time ago?
I only raced in 97.
Really?
That's when I was in 8.
Okay. I thought we raced in the Mach one time. No? Okay.
I barely seen that car.
Oh, okay. Well.
Yeah.
You guys heard it here first, so hopefully they can see me. I can't see myself at all. But yeah, guys, should be a really cool race. You know, I think I'm gonna get completely dusted, but hey, super cool content, great friends, and I'm definitely gonna be able to put more content out on his Cobra, so I couldn't be happier. So let's go ahead and get some runs in. All right, guys, we're about to leave. My buddy Daniel with the white ZL1 1LE just showed up, so he wanted to have some fun. So now it's gonna be me and Alex, and then it'll eventually be Daniel and Alex. So we're gonna be very curious to see how Alex's car stacks up against the ZL1 1LE, and then the 1LE is all stock except for having full exhaust. Other than that, stock intake, stock throttle body, no cam, no pulley. So it's, oh man, it sounds so good. They're all revving. Can't wait to go out there and have some fun, guys. Sounds so good, dude. Son of a gun right there. Look at my homies. That's what's up. What a cool night, man. asked Tony. He actually boosted that 2-valve. It's a supercharged 2-valve. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I don't know what's done to it. I'm gonna have to ask Tony what he did to it, because he's done a lot of work to it since the last time I've seen him and the car. So pretty cool. This ended up being a really cool night, so I'm looking forward to it. All right, Alex, you're next, Bubba. Let's do it. Alex freaking gapped the hell out of me, so that's awesome. Alex, thanks for the freaking awesome run, dude. That thing's a monster. So me and Tony are gonna go ahead and rerun it back real quick, and gonna regroup with the guys. So let's go ahead and see how this goes. I have no idea what's done to Tony's car, so he'll tell us later. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Blake again, coming at y'all for another video, and today I got kind of something pretty interesting for y'all. So I got Stefan's 97 Cobra here along with my 97 Cobra, and we ended up digging around and finding out that he actually's got a 373s in his car, correct?
Yes.
So 373s X-pipe mufflers versus underdrive pulleys, cold air, H-pipe mufflers. 373 gears versus 355s. We have no idea what your power is, right. And my car dynoed 283 to the tire and 264 torque. You're probably what, 260 maybe with the X-pipe?
No motor mods like that. Whatever the stock numbers were back in the day. For wheel.
X-pipe though, no cats. That's what I'm saying about 260.
270, around there, horsepower wise.
I'll say 260, I'll give it that. But basically, we just want to show you guys what 64,000 miles against 180,000 miles looks like against 373s and 355s. We have no idea what the outcomes are going to be. I think you got it for sure, just on the gearing, since they're basically the same identical car. You have the same transmission, correct? Or you have a different?
So. From what I can tell, it's got some weird plate on it. I changed the transmission mount on it, and from what I can tell, it looks like the T45, mm-hmm. Right? Yeah, T45. So if that's what you got, then yeah, same.
All right, so we're running the same tire as well, but yours are 245 size, mine's 285.
No, mine's are 275.
They're 275.
No G2s, yes.
Oh, okay. My mistake. 275s compared to my 285. I don't really think it's going to make a difference, but we're running the same tire nonetheless. So I think it'll be kind of interesting just to see what's going to happen. So we're going to do a 40 roll, and then we're going to go from a dig. And that car actually likes to spin them up quite a lot. I'm actually very surprised. So does his. So I guess we'll go ahead and do the runs and come back and talk about it. right, guys, we just got back, and wow, that was not the outcome I was expecting. I mean, I expected him to win, but like, dude, you were pulling. Like every gear, you were straight pulling on me. That's crazy. I'm definitely need to get some gears. That's for sure.
I was blown away by the fact that something for $8,000 can move that fast. That's what I'm blown away about for sure. I had it in my gut. I was gonna win. Of course, I root for the good team, but for the fast team, I meant to say.
Oh yeah. I mean, yeah, like I said, guys, I got underdrive pulleys and a cold air on here. I make 33 horsepower over stock.
All the barbecues, I have so much leverage to talk shit now. So much leverage.
You can talk all you want. I don't care. This is the slowest car in the whole county.
No, it's not.
I could care less.
Nah, that was a really good race. That was awesome. We did a second gear and a dig. In the dig, we were both spinning like crazy. And then second, I couldn't hook for like half the gear in second. And then I finally gripped up, and you were catching, and then it was just game over after that. Popped up right on your screen.
I guess the moral of the story is gears make a huge difference.
Yeah.
Does it not?
Yeah, it does. 100%.
Transmission gearing, rear end gearing makes a huge difference in these cars. And I also saw a video on Facebook of a guy that had drag radials and X-pipe in 456 gears racing a 21 Scat Pack, and he won. That's it. Nothing else done to the car.
Yeah,
so
probably tops out at 70 miles per hour.
hey man, it's still winning's winning. But yeah, these cars can move out, guys, when you just do simple mods, especially gearing. Gearing is the most critical factor. 373s and up, these things really wake up. It's pretty cool. Plus you got the drag, the regular drag look, and then you got my little track car setup look. It's pretty cool. Black and white. So I like the fact we're pretty polar opposite.
I want to tell them what I want to do. I want to lower it. I want to get wheels, chrome with a polished face maybe, with the carbon duckbill. Keep the hood. I love the hood. Clear tail lights. I know you don't like those. I love the clear tail lights. Black out the third brake light and the indicators there, like you got. And then honestly, after that, I don't even know what else I do. That sounds so clean to me. I feel like that would be real nice, real crispy. And then headers, cams, Kenny Bell, and then we can race the Mach 1.
Yeah, I don't know, man, if it's still around. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, it was just us having some fun and just wanted to see which car was faster. And like I said, I knew he was probably going to win, but again, I make 33 horsepower over stock. I thought I'd have a little bit of an edge, and I didn't. I was completely wrong. I had no edge at all. So pretty cool. So if you guys enjoy this content, please give a like and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys thought, or if you guys like this kind of stuff. It would really help my channel out a lot. 80-90% of y'all ain't subs, so really appreciate it if y'all support the channel and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. You know, you get to see more $8,000 Cobras, and you know, you get to see some Mach 1 content and everything. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, Stefan. It's been great, man, and I'll holler at you later, man. All right.